What's up, guys? Bryson Michael RC here, and I got something new today that I'm going to be trying out, and I want to show you guys a few things. So this is actually going to be like a two-part video because I want people to find the other part of this by searching something separate. So this is the IUMAKEVP. I guess that's the name of it. Wireless lapel microphone, Lavalier microphone. It's just a lapel microphone, and this is just a plug and play, and comes with very minimal step-by-step instructions on it, but it does work on some and it doesn't work on other ones, and I'm going to show you in this video and make that into a separate video exactly how to use this on a phone if you're having trouble with it, exactly how to do it. So there's a couple different ways that you can do it, but there's just the best way to do it. So this is what it all comes with. It's not really an unboxing video, it's more of a just going to be a review, and this is everything that it comes with. Two lapel microphones here. Come with a pretty sturdy plastic clip, and also comes with some extra clips here just in case the clips mess up. Two of those extra. These right here are little headphone things that you can attach to it. They've got little spots there that charge, and you can plug this into it and actually hear the microphone, so you can make sure that it's on. That's pretty cool, just in case you forget. You get two charging cables. So this is a full charging cable out, so you can charge both of them at the same time. Two little, four actually, foam things, you know, the windbreak, pop noise cancellation things. They're really not that good. I was hoping they'd be more of the fluffy ones, but that's fine. These are going to be work pretty well, and you can kind of see the two different sizes. This is kind of the skinnier one. This is kind of the fatter one. Skinnier one, fatter one. So it's kind of what they look like. I just got one on each, and then the little thing that goes into your Android phone. So they do make these for iPhones. They make them for Androids. The iPhones I don't know anything about. I don't get iPhone. I don't believe in buying iPhone. Just the way that they treat their employees over in China, I just cannot and refuse to buy iPhone products. So I can't help you on that. If you have an iPhone, go ahead and find a different video on that. This isn't going to help you. But there's a couple different ways to do this, and I'm not using any type of a microphone right now, so you guys will hear the difference in this here in a little bit. I'm going to show you a couple different, well, I'm going to show you one way, and then I'm going to tell you the other. So if your Android phone, if you plug it in, just take this where your charger is, and you just plug it right in. This one-handed here. Can I do it one-handed? Yep. So you plug that right in, and there should be a light. There we go. Light coming on, showing you that your phone is sending power to that. And then to make sure that these are on, you just push this little power button on the back, and a green light comes on. It starts flashing, and then once it pairs, it turns green. Once it's paired, go ahead and open up your phone, and you can see that I have two different camera apps down here at the bottom. This is the one that came on my phone here. I plugged it right in, and I tried all sorts of different stuff, and I could not get this to work through this. I went through all the different settings and stuff. Now, one of the things that you can do if you want to use your camera is you can actually go, oh, wrong one. You can actually go into your settings, and this one doesn't have it. That's why I got to show you this other way. So you can go into your settings and just put in OTG. Well, not ITG, but OTG, and change the settings in the OTG, and then it could work. But if you've got a Samsung like I have, I think it's an A13s or something like that, and I'm actually filming this on an older Samsung, so this one that I have in my hand actually doesn't have the same process either. It's mostly just those Chinese brands that you can go into the OTG thing, but Samsung, you can actually download. Well, let's go here. Let's see if it still pops up. Yep, you can download this. It's called Open Camera. Download that Open Camera. Once you get it, you just come in here and open it up. Now, you will need to make some changes. It won't work right away. So they've got a little settings thing here, and I'm going to try to do this as good as I can. You can go into video settings, And then they have record audio. Oh, that's not it. Audio source. And then you can push external mic if present. And that's all you do. Then you go back and you hit record and it will start recording. So I'm going to play the audio. You can hear the audio from here. I'm going to go ahead and record it on this one, but I'll sync up the audio so you guys can kind of hear me when I'm on top of this and stuff. So hello, hello, hello. It's a way better audio. And you can actually walk quite a bit of ways with it. I'm just going to set that there. And then we're going to be hitting. We're going to be hitting from shooting from par here. And this one slopes just as well. It looks like it slopes this way, but it actually slopes this way. Let's see if I can get a good one. Oh, too much to the side. And you can run 2 different people at one time. So 2 different microphones. That's pretty cool. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it if you have an Android phone, you plug it in, it doesn't start working right away. It's supposed to work right away. So that is that. That is this IUMAKEVP. Pretty simple. You can get up and record right away. I'm going to get both of my phones set up for this. So the next time that we go out and make another video, I'll be using this because I've got some golf videos, and I'll show you a clip right here. I get pretty far away from it. The wind starts blowing. You can't really understand anything that I'm saying. So I kind of dig this. It's going to be kind of the best way to do it. And it's just a tiny little thing that plugs in right there. You can put it on a little stand, turn it sideways, and blam. Oh, you get this little carrying bag too. I forgot to show this. It's got a little 2 little hard pieces in there. Throw it all in there. Easy to take on the go with you. Anyways, my name's Bryce Michael. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And hopefully that helps somebody out. Maybe somebody that needs to find this can actually come check this out. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.